Alright, hey guys, I'm with Richie, and as promised, I'm gonna make her American meal. And I asked them what they wanted, and everyone said mac and cheese. So that's what we're gonna make today. We have the mac and cheese, and Arnie is gonna be the camera girl. Thank you. You can push that down if you need to. So I got the cheese, the macaroni, and some butter, and some sugar. Lots of Filipinos like it sweet, but we'll wait to add that later if they want it. And then some milk. So I guess we'll start with slicing the cheese. I honestly don't really make this at home. So my brother does, and I watch him sometimes, but I'm not much of a cook, so I apologize if it doesn't taste very good, but as long as I don't burn it, I think it should be okay. Alright, so I guess that was pretty much it. We have the butter, or we have the milk and the macaroni and the cheese. And we have the fire going over there. Yeah, we're gonna boil it. So there really isn't much preparation, but we'll go over and check on the fire, see if it's time to add the water, and then we need to boil it. And this is definitely my first time cooking over a fire like this, so it should be interesting. Cooking macaroni and cheese on over a fire. I've cooked other things over a fire, but never mac and cheese. Hey, Raymond!
What are you doing there?
Nice outfit. Where'd you come from?
Oh, I sleep there.
You were sleeping, you woke up like this?
Very noisy, two of you.
What happened to your...
I like your, yeah, unique. Unique is right. Alright, so I guess welcome Raymond. Thanks for joining us.
I'm hungry.
I don't need bra.
I don't have bra.
We'll check on the water, see if it's boiling.
You can put it here.
Alright, it's boiling.
Bro, I'm hungry.
Oh, hey bro, you hungry?
Yeah.
Good. I think we're gonna make enough for everybody.
What's that?
It's some, we're gonna make macaroni and cheese. Have you had it before?
Not yet.
Not yet? Yeah. Well, today's your lucky day, man. Yeah. You don't want the macaroni to stick on the side, so it's good to mix it up every once in a while, stir it.
Bata rin. Baby. Tama mabilima do. Do. Ay, ali. Ali.
Alright, that's good. I'll just put this to the side. Alright, so I think I'm gonna cut these in smaller pieces so it's easier to melt and to stir around. I really don't know how much I need. I don't really measure, but I'll just kind of add if I need more as I go. You definitely don't want to burn the cheese, so I'm going to try my best to keep stirring it as it's on the fire. And this is cold right now, so I think it's best to keep it cold, and then once it's on there, you can stir it as it heats.
And then, what's next?
And then we'll add some milk and some butter, or as you call it, margarine.
Margarine?
Margarine.
Margarine.
Margarine?
Pampatambok?
Yeah.
We call it margarine.
Margarine?
Yeah.
In US? Here is margarine.
Say margarine.
Margarine.
Pampatambok?
Patupando?
Sa muscle.
Muscle.
Yeah.
And we just call it butter. Like it says margarine on the label. We just call it butter. Like butter is like the general.
Yeah.
Like butter on toast and jelly.
In general.
Yeah.
How about
Hey, welcome to join us.
how about the bro? How about the
He's
SPO1?
thinking first.
Bro, how about the SPO1, SPO2, SPO3, SPO4?
Oh, okay. Like the general, the lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Okay, yeah.
Something like that.
All right. So
All
we'll
left.
add some milk. All left.
Oh. Right now, don't say alright. All left. Here bro, only 5 pesos fresh milk.
What?
Go to goat and use your mouth. 5
Yeah,
pesos.
that's the best kind.
Yeah.
Goat's milk is the best.
Yeah.
I have to
Goat milk.
agree.
Goat milk.
I when I'm at home, it's more expensive, but if I drink normal milk, I have to make sure it's lactose free because I'm lactose intolerant. That means I can't digest even cheese. I have an upset stomach, so that's like the only thing that upsets my stomach is like cheese.
Here,
If I eat too much of it.
yeah. Here bro, 5 pesos 1 glass.
All right.
Milk goat. But you use your mouth to get the milk.
Oh, you have to show me that. I like to try. You can just put a little bit of butter.
Margarine.
What about
Margarine.
using spoon?
You don't need a lot of butter. But to make it more smooth, it's nice to have a little bit of butter. Or margarine, sorry. Alright. So, we'll mix this in slowly. If we need more cheese, we'll add more cheese. If we need more of anything else, we'll just add it as we go. We'll go put this over the fire and stir a lot. You definitely don't want to overcook the butter and the cheese and everything. That should be good enough. I think your tape's coming undone.
Huh?
I think you're sweating. Your tape's coming undone.
It's okay.
For the kids at home, you better keep those covered.
Hey, how are you? Try to laugh like Raymond.
All right.
Like that.
All right.
No, just don't do.
You know that a lot of ho, a lot of ho. Whoever's yelling. My favorite one is when you laugh, you go, hoo, 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 and the last one you go, hoo, 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 hoo.
Oh.
Yeah, that's my favorite one. You need to do that. You got some milk on your tongue.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Is it good with Coke?
Yeah, you can drink with anything. My favorite drink in the world is ginger ale.
What's that?
Ginger ale. It's like
Similar to Raymond's ginger?
a little bit, yeah. It has like the ginger
It's
taste.
like tea?
The all natural kind, yeah.
Ginger.
I like the female ginger. Is that all of it? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll just use it all.
Yeah.
The more cheese, the better, in my opinion.
How about milk?
I got some milk here. Don't worry.
Here.
Don't worry.
My milk.
I don't want chocolate milk.
Good luck. 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can do it for 2 minutes long. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go. Have you seen Dumb and Dumber?
No.
All right.
Can you teach me?
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Guys,
Oh, you stop.
guys,
You never seen Dumb
you
and
need
Dumber?
medicine.
Oh man, I think you would like that movie.
It's better.
All right, guys. Hey, if you guys seen Dumb and Dumber, who's Floyd and who's Larry?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Just insert first. Insert.
1 second.
1. Done. 1 second.
One done. Want to smell, Raymond? Don't burn her nipples.
More milk.
I need some more milk.
More milk.
Yeah, one little squeeze. Oh, that's too much. Pedro, I think you need some black tape.
What? It's that. Black tape to the black tape today. What is this? What is this? Hey, black
Making some
tape.
mac and cheese for everyone.
Cheese.
Yeah. If you want, you can add some salt, you can add some sugar, you can add some pepper. Do you have pepper? Like not pepper,
Leaves,
not
leaves.
pepper off the tree, but like salt and pepper?
No.
Okay. You can add those too, and those are pretty good. Alright guys, we're finished. Richie, you get to be the first. Tell me honestly what you think of it. And if you want to add some more milk or some more sugar, salt, ain't nothing but a heartache. What do you think? Not good?
Yummy!
Okay, good.
I can feel the cheese.
Next, bro. Next.
Yeah, taste some.
No. Arnie.
Yeah, Arnie, you get some too.
Oh.
Boleh ka semua. Dami kayo.
Want to hear one song?
Yeah.
Practice this 3 years time.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That was a good one, man.
I practiced that 3 times.
3 times?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
It took you 3 years to learn that.
Okay, bon lang
You got a
naman.
down pat, man. Here, you know, a lot more. So you guys is, what's it called? Mac salad or cheese salad?
Salad.
It's called cheese salad. All right, so when they make it, you put a whole bunch of different stuff in it, right? Like what
That
else?
is fruit. That is
Fruit salad, I mean.
No,
It's
it's
called
not fruit salad. It's macaroni salad.
macaroni salad. So what's the difference between this and macaroni salad?
Macaroni is you will fruit. Fruit like apple. Lad.
That'd be
Okay.
good.
Tara.
But it's cold.
Anang? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
cold.
it's cold. All
And
right.
anang? Ding. Cheese is just you just directly.
All right, you put them like in hunks.
I like this, bro. I like this.
You like it? Good.
Thank you, Dustin.
You're welcome.
Dustin.
You're welcome.
And
All right, eat off. The challenge, if you can eat this all, then you get 3 wishes. 3 wishes if you can eat the whole thing. 3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
Yeah, 3.
You get 3.
Oh, 3.
You get 3.
No.
3.
3. 3 wish.
Oh look.
Testingan ko na to. Pangin Raymond. Testingan ko na to. Testing ko na ko dahil. Testing ko dahil.
Oh look. Oh look, 10.
Oh, 10.
Oh look, a 10.
Guys, don't follow them.
Like
Anything. Yummy! Hey! Did you try it? Yeah.
Nam.
what if I eat that? Yeah. After I wish I want to become tall. Like a tree.
I'll buy you high heels.
Dami.
Brilliant, man.
Yeah, very brilliant.
I think the high heels will go with your outfit.
Oh,
Dumang. Mac and cheese ko na.
Tama ha? Tama naman.
Tabang.
no!
Bro.
Where are you? Almost.
Hey. Hey, that's my bowl.
Almost done.
That's my bowl.
This is your bowl?
You been eating out of my bowl?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Raymond.
Almost
The
done.
coronavirus. You been eating this?
My.
Oh, they want more.
Oh, good. Does it taste okay?
It's delicious.
Good.
Thank you, Chip Cook.
No problem. It's okay?
What happened to your bra?
It's dance competition.
All right. This is the only dance I knew when I was younger.
Yeah.
Do you guys have high school dances?
Yeah.
Or like middle school dances? All right. When I was in middle
Insert,
school.
insert.
All right. When I was in middle school, around like maybe 5th grade, I was like 11 years old. This is the only dance I knew.
Oh, okay.
All right. Yeah, this is what I do every time.
Okay.
I go up to a girl. If it's slow dance, fast dance, it doesn't matter. This is the only dance I knew. I go. If it's a fast dance or a slow dance. If it's a fast dance, I'd be like. And then if it's a slow dance, you know, you walk out with the girl, all slow. She holds me, and I'm like. Oh, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah. Alright, the first dance you ever learned.
Yeah.
Remember, Mon, you danced before.
Yeah.
You were like a girl.
Yeah. Like this.
He's wearing skirts. and-
You wore a skirt?
Yeah.
Why?
They perform in school. Boys, and then they dance for girls.
Like this.
Wow, so you wore a skirt to school and you danced for
And it's
everybody?
spaghetti, and they're wearing makeup.
Wow.
You're way too beautiful, girl. Do you remember one? No, limot na siya. Ano ba yung sound, no? You're way too beautiful, girl.
So, follow me.
Alright, alright.
Kanta.
You're
You're way
way
too
too
beautiful, girl. That's why it will never work. You had me suicidal, suicidal, and I say it's always cut. Cut.
Richie, come on!
Oh my god.
Richie, you need some tape?
You need some medicine.
Alright, I'll teach you my
You
dance,
need
ready?
rope.
Another dance.
I'll teach you my dance.
Yeah.
Alright, come here. Alright, ready? Loosen up. This takes a lot of skill. This is a hard one. Alright, ready? First stand like this. Like this. There you go.
Wala ka dali. Wala mo naggaling.
Get your hips in
Wala mo
it.
naggaling og mais mo.
That's good.
Know how to smash corn?
Huh?
How to smash corn?
Smash corn?
Like the
Oh,
corn we.
okay, okay.
It's like that.
Like that.
Oh yeah, it's like smashing corn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
See, I've been a farmer my whole life. I didn't know it.
What?
I could have been smashing corn my whole
Maybe.
life. We can have a big dance
Yeah,
and
big
smash corn at the same time. That's the only dance we'll have.
Dance
Even
like
now.
girls.
Like a girl? How does a girl dance?
Girl dance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know Mr. Bean?
Mr. Bean, yeah.
Yeah, you like Mr. Bean?
You're more on SpongeBob. Or
You know Toto in
Oh.
English?
pangundang naman,
You know-
pangundang naman.
How come yours are staying on? Mine keeps coming on. Alright.
You know Toto in English?
Tutoy?
Yeah.
What's tutoy?
Yeah.
Tutoy's nipple.
Yeah, equal.
Okay.
Toto. Two.
Two.
Two toy.
So one is just toy?
One toy.
One toy?
One toy.
Toy?
No, one toy.
One toy.
Yeah.
Two toy.
Two toys.
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't put S.
No toys?
No.
They're just toy.
Yeah.
Toy.
Okay.
One toy.
One toy? Two toys.
Two toys.
Alright.
Okay. Serious dance.
Alright, serious dance.
Butang na ang kwan ni. Justin.
It's like Michael Jackson.
Serious dance. Serious
Wow,
dance.
look at those moves, man.
Yeah, serious dance.
Jeez, where'd you learn how to dance?
Serious
I know
dance.
that. Justin, I know that.
You know how to do that?
Yeah. You're next.
Wow.
Serious dance. Follow me. Serious dance.
Alright.
Like this.
This one. This one.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Ang
Ang
atong
atong
sina
sina
yawan.
yawan.
Mura
Mara
ug
ug
nakaton
nakaton
ug
ug
bara
bara
kay gahi
gahi
lawas.
gahi gagas.
Gagas. Lawas na gagas.
Oh,
Whew, I need a bath.
I'm tired now.
I'm tired. That's a workout.
Oh, bro, thank you for the.
Hey, no
Okay.
problem, man. Thanks for enjoying it. Hey, are you hungry? Oh, yes. Take as much as you want. It's time to play in the rain. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I think the mac and cheese turned out okay.
Yeah.
You liked it alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Oh, you're black. Save me some.
Yeah, it's almost gone. We've been handing out to the neighbors and everybody, so hopefully these lot of people.
Mac and cheese.
Lola got some too? Alright, cool.
Yeah, Lola.
Alright, well we're gonna go. We'll see you guys tomorrow. It's just stopped raining, so cool. Alright, see you guys later.
Bye-bye.